Whoa. You don't think it's gonna get worse? I think it is. Wow. You don't think it's gonna get worse? It's getting worse moment by moment. Take it right just now. Some huge, huge big waves.
Oh yeah, but I mean, you're gonna get the highest tide, now the tide's gonna start going out. Like, there's absolutely nothing we can do about
Oh
it.
no, except observe.
behind
That's
your way, so-
no.
But see, if you just look where I walked through,
Yeah,
5 minutes ago,
yeah.
the left side and the right side of that water wasn't connected, it's completely connected now. So I mean, it's what it is, I guess.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's, like I say, there's nothing.
Well, we appreciate the phone call. I mean,
Oh,
it's impressive.
pleasure.
It brings you back. Mother Nature's the boss, and
Yeah.
you know. When
Well,
this is done,
what I look at this summer, we get another load of rocks,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
build it up a little higher,
Oh yeah.